Hey, what's up? Sammy here. In this video, I'm going to compare 3 smartwatches from our site to help you make the right purchase decision just in case you want one of these with as a New Year gift or just want to keep fit. They are the Redmi Watch, which was just released, the Amazfit Bip, and the Haylou LS02. They are all from Xiaomi's eco-chain companies, and that's one of the reasons we choose these 3. You know, the quality should be guaranteed. The comparison including unboxing, sports data recording, and overall user experience. Without further ado, let's get started. For each of the boxes, it comes with the watch, of course, a charging base, and a manual. But for Redmi, it only has Chinese. The Haylou is English, and the Amazfit has the best user guide, which includes 8 languages. One thing I really love about these 3 smartwatches is that the strap is detachable. That means they give you a wide range of choice if you want to swap to your favorite straps. As for the sports data recording, I tested indoor treadmill, outdoor cycling, and sleep. And here are the results. Well, that's the interesting part. If judged from the sleep data, the Redmi Watch is the least accurate one, which is one of shorter than the other 2 have recorded. As for indoor treadmill, they're almost the same. As for outdoor cycling, Redmi Watch has a bug and cannot record the data properly, but the Haylou didn't show the mileage, which is a little bit weird for me. The best is the Amazfit Bip. It not only records the route, but also shows every detail of the training, including speed, heart rate, and even altitude. Looks really professional. As for the user experience, Amazfit's screen is the smallest one, and the characters look a little bit grainy and old-fashioned, but it has the clearest display under direct sunlight. And unlike the Redmi or Haylou feels a little bit sluggish, the gesture control on the Amazfit is super smooth. Speaking of gesture control, I find all of the 3 are very easy to use. Swipe up or down, you get to see the notification or shortcuts. Swipe right or left, you get to see the most used features like heart rate, sleep, etc. Even the first time you hands on these smartwatches, with a couple of minutes, you will get familiar with them. As for the app, again, I will vote for the Amazfit for its detailed and language support. Unlike Redmi, it has Chinese characters here and there and might cause misunderstanding for international users. So to conclude, if you just want a basic model to record your exercises, then the Haylou LS02 is a no-brainer for you. It has multiple sports modes to meet your daily use, excellent battery life, premium design, especially the magnetic charging cable. I just love it. Plus the budget price is just awesome. While if you want to step up or look for a more professional way to record your sports data, then the Amazfit Bip is going to be a good choice for you. It has GPS and can always record your routes. You can let your imagination go wild. It provides a professional and informative analysis of your sports data. It has the clearest screen among the 3, and it has the best language support. The app changes languages along with the phone, which is user-friendly to international users. Though the Amazfit Bip was released 1 year ago, it's still one of the best value smartwatches up to today. While for the Redmi Watch, I feel it's a bit awkward and I don't recommend it. If you want to know why, you can go to Sammy Tech's tip channel for that, which I've done an in-depth review of it. Make sure to check it out. Alright, that's the video. I hope it helps you in some way. If you have any questions about it, just leave your comment below. I'm Sammy. See you next time.